Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Cute Little Ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the notification button. Today I'll tell you how to send a secret message to someone. Let's get started. For this, we have taken a washed and dried eggshell. Keep it aside. Write your message on a piece of paper. Keep it as small as possible. Roll the paper this way. Now we have to make something like this. Take a quilling paper and scrap it like this with scissors repeatedly to get it curled. We have made a few curls. We also have bits of color paper. Now take the egg. Make sure it is dry. Then drop the confetti we have prepared and your secret message into the eggshell carefully. Now cut out a small piece out of paper tape and paste it here carefully. You can use glue gun if required. Now paint the egg. Let it dry. Now let us draw a cute emoji on this egg. Our secret messenger is ready. Now take a bamboo skewer and stick a sticker paper like a flag. Fix it on the paper cup.
Oh, Mom has kept eggs here. Let me add something to it. Shh. La 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 la. What is this? This reads a secret message for Varsha. A message for me? This looks suspicious. There is something inside. Let me check. You are so beautiful. How will I break you? It's fine. There is a message. You are the best sister anyone would wish for. My first and best friend. Love you, sis. Sister, it's so sweet of you.
If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, tell us how well your craft came out in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.